these are the types of address. Take a screenshot of that. How many types of addresses? Physical address, logical, port and specific. Now we are going to check that these addresses कौन से layer पे use करते हैं. Application layer means processes, so we are having a specific address. Transport layer, TCP, UDP, so it is having a port address. Okay. On a network layer, IP and other protocols, so it is a logical address. Data link layer, physical address. Physical layer, it is having a physical address. So it is very important that if I know physical address, that means I am in a data link layer or physical layer. If I know logical address, that means I am in a network layer. If I know port address, that means in a transport layer. And if I know specific address, that means it is on a process, okay, application layer. So now this is one example that it is a figure with a physical address 10 sends a frame to a node with physical address 87. Please note down this example that the one node is having a physical address 10 and the second node is having a physical address 87. The two nodes are connected by a link. This is nothing but a bus topology LAN network, local area network. As the figure shows, the computer with physical address 10 is a sender and computer with physical address 87 is receiver. So this is my physical address 10. Then बीच में सारे आपके PCs connected है. Imagine this is your lab, okay? And this is a 87 number PC. Okay, but in a network we are considering it is as a node. So this is your source address, this is your destination address, and this is your trailer. Now tell me why destination address is a first. So in a last lecture I explained that first whenever we are writing anyone, so we have to write two. If you want to write a application to principal or HOD, or if you want to write a letter to your grandfather, father, mother, then first you are going to write to dear father, to respected sir, to respected madam, okay, to dear or whatever. In Marathi also we are writing priya, then to से start करते हो जिसको आप लिख रहे हो, और at the end you have to write your own, मीन्स किसकी तरफ से ये लिखा है. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन इज अ डेस्टिनेशन एड्रेस, इट इज 87 नोड को मुझे भेजना है इंफॉर्मेशन, एंड 10 is your sender address, then data, and then T2. This is your LAN. This is a second example that most local area network use 48-bit 6-byte physical address written as 12 hexadecimal digits. Please note down that most of the physical address are 48-bit, means 6 byte, and this is a 12 hexadecimal digits. Every byte 2 hexadecimal digits is separated by a colon as shown in a figure. So this is a format for physical address. Okay, so यही format में आपका physical address रहेगा. So physical address is a 6 byte or 12 hexadecimal digits. It is nothing but a physical address. Okay, now this is the third example that your PCs और जो भी आपका है, it is a part of an internet. पहले जो हम लोगों ने एग्जाम्पल देखा, that is a part of your LAN network. Okay, now this next example is a part of an internet with two routers connecting three LANs. If you can understand that how we are increasing, first we are connected only two PC in our LAN, then we are further proceed with three LANs with the internet. Okay, so each device, which device, computer or router, has a pair of addresses. Now how many addresses it is having? That logical and physical for each connection. In this case, each computer is connected to only one link and therefore has only one pair of addresses. Please remember that every PC or router is having a logical and physical address for each connection. But when we are talking about a network, so we are talking only IP address, but always remember there is a logical address and there is a physical address. So in this case, each computer is connected only one link and therefore has only one pair of address. So each router, however, is connected to three networks. Only two are shown in a figure. So each router has three pairs of addresses, one for each connection. So this is your लैन। ओके, बट जब हम लोग राउटर कनेक्ट करते हैं तो हम लोगों ने अभी क्या देखा कि इफ देर इज अ नोड इन अ पीसी, पीसी अगर है तो मेरे पास पीसी का एक एड्रेस है। ओके, अगर मेरे पास प्रिंटर है तो मेरे पास एक एड्रेस मतलब इंटरनेट के लिए, बट एक्चुअली वहाँ पे दो एड्रेस होते हैं, वन इज अ फिजिकल एंड वन इज अ लॉजिकल, बट वी कनेक्टेड द हार्डवेयर इन अ इंटरनेट, देन वी आर ओनली रेफरिंग लॉजिकल एड्रेस मीन्स आईपी एड्रेस, आईपी आपका एड्रेस क्या है। बट व्हेन आई वांट टू कनेक्ट LAN 1, LAN 2 and LAN 3 to one router, then for router it is having a three addresses, one address for every LAN. Why this required? Because if I have only one address, तो जब राउटर के पास पैकेट आएगा तो उसको पता नहीं चलेगा, he has to send that packet to LAN 1, LAN 2 or LAN 3. So always remember that for a router, how many addresses are there? Router is connected to 3, 4 or 5 LAN. It is having a address. Now this is the fourth example. In this example we are having a two computers communicating via internet. This is a case that we both are in the same network. The sending computer is running three processes at this time with पोर्ट एड्रेसेस, मीन्स थ्री प्रोसेसेस मीन मेरा इंटरनेट चल रहा है, मेरा तीन एप्लीकेशन चल रहे हैं मेरे पीसी पे। ओके, सो हर एक प्रोसेस के लिए एक पोर्ट एड्रेस है ए बी एंड सी। द रिसीविंग कंप्यूटर इज रनिंग ऑन अ टू प्रोसेसेस एट दिस टाइम। मैंने पीपीटी और मैंने तीन प्रोसेसेस ऑन किए, बट नॉट नेसेसरी कि रिसीवर ने तीन प्रोसेसेस ऑन किए हैं। ओके, उसने दो प्रोसेस ही उस पे काम कर रहा है। सो एट दिस टाइम द पोर्ट एड्रेस J and K, process A in the sending computer needs to communicate with process J in the receiving computer. Note that although physical address change from hop to hop, logical and port address remain the same from the source to destination. This is very important. What it is showing that this is your PC. On a PC what is happening, आपका A process is your Chrome browser, B process आपका दूसरा, इसमें आपने समझो दूसरी में आपने कुछ सर्चिंग के लिए डाला है, सी में आपका मेल ओपन है। तो अब आप क्या चाहते हो कि आपका जो मेल है, आप ए से जो मेल भेज रहे हो, ए सेंडर, वो रिसीवर को उसके मेल बॉक्स में ही मिले। सो दिस इज नथिंग बट कि यहाँ पे अगर मेरा आईपी एड्रेस है और पोर्ट एड्रेस है, यहाँ पे भी सेम मेरा आईपी एड्रेस है, पोर्ट एड्रेस है, वो एंटायर प्रोसेस क्या रहेगा, सेम रहेगा। बट फिजिकल एड्रेस जो है, वो फिजिकल एड्रेस क्या हो सकता है, वो हम लोग इतना कंसिडर नहीं करते हैं। सो दिस इज पोर्ट एड्रेस।
For more information of this topic, don't forget to subscribe my channel Pinnacle.